Just sitting here on the Wilderness Railway, waiting to go. Choo choo. And we're away. We are in the actual Wilderness carriage, which is the premium carriage, of course.
Here we go, Robert.
So they've got...
Thank you.
What's this? Canapes are served. So we've just started out. We've just going past Macquarie Harbour, had a little bit of commentary, a bit of history about the place, and well, so far so good. Cheers everybody. Part of the service here in a Wilderness carriage is complimentary Tasmanian sparkling champagne, along with our canapes and coffee, tea, what have you. So cheers. This is pretty cool. Out on the balcony now, we're going past the King River and we are deep into the wilderness, I'm telling you. There's a locomotive carriage. We're coming through a narrow cutting now. Wow.
And it's in this clearing just over the other side. As we cross over, you can see this clearing here.
So we've just disembarked at Lower Landing, which is our stop for today. So it's about a 50-minute journey from Strahan to Lower Landing. We stop here for about 45 minutes, can taste some honey, go for a little bit of a walk in the rainforest. Here comes our locomotive driver. Going to hook up with the carriages. Beautiful.
This one is the Christmas bush.
So we're going to have a little honey tasting.
And this one I've got is the leatherwood, so the one that only grows out here.
Thank you.
Oh, the leatherwood. Is that good?
Oh, that's really different.
It's a very different flavour.
I better taste these then.
There you go. This one is the Christmas bush.
That
Thank
is
you.
really different, actually.
On the film.
Now we are in the wilderness. We're in the rainforest. Feels like a rainforest, doesn't it?
Yes, it's
Yes.
very damp.
It's wet and it's lush. And I forgot to tell you to wear good walking shoes, didn't I?
Yes.
So your lovely boots
Not wearing appropriate footwear.
are copping it, right?
Yes. Go away.
It's definitely a little bit wet and muddy as we're heading towards the river. Oh, this is really beautiful. And the only way you can get here is on the Wilderness Railway.
End of the line.
End of the line, baby.
Yeah.
That's what it says. You're going to start singing it?
No.
What do you think?
It's fantastic.
Beautiful, isn't it? So this is pretty cool. Now that we're going back the other way, the locomotive's at the front of the train. Just stand out on the balcony and watch it all go by. Look at that. So we're back, Regatta Point Station at Strahan. Fantastic trip, very informative. Sun's come out, we've had a great day. Highly recommend if you're coming to Strahan, take the West Coast Wilderness Railway.